we got out of the truck, started calling. Actually kicked up a hen back here. And like, well, might as well keep going with it. Got up pretty much under the ridge here, and all of a sudden seen a head pop up as Blake was calling. Well, just got down and got ready for the T3, and he came right in.
Dude, that thing is sweet.
Well, here we are. Got my first bird. Got off work about 4:45. It's starting to clear up finally. It's been cloudy all day. Got to Blake's, got out here in the fields, started driving around. Didn't really see much. Came to one field, went and parked and came on walking up to the ridge, kicked up a hen. She flew off, and all of a sudden a head pops up on us. So what? It was about 80 yards out. Went ahead and got down. Tail fan up here. He came right in. Got him about 20 yards out, and here he is.